Hello! We are now in lesson number 13. But before we proceed in lesson number 13, let us review the previous lesson. Okay, so we discussed the right S. This is the right S. Like that. Then the letter O. This is for letter O. The letter A. The letter E, a tiny circle. Then a dot, it is a sound of H. Then letter R, letter T, letter P, letter M, letter D, letter L, and then the left S, the letter B, the letter V, the letter N, the letter F, and then the long I. So it is written as circle, then broken. Ayan, ganyan. Okay. Please look at the combination of right S. So, when you say right S, it is written as like this. So, kasama niya sa right S is the letter F. And then the letter V. So, look at the difference. So, small, medium, and then large. Okay, for left S, it is written as like this for left S. So, the combination of letter P and letter B. Yan. So, that is the purpose of the left S and then the right S. Okay. So, please try to review the different letters. Then, please memorize the strokes. Okay. So, next, let's proceed for lesson number 13. Okay, for lesson number 13, it is the sound of U, U. So, it is written as a tiny upward hook. So, that is for U, U. Let's say, from the word to. So, when you pronounce to, it is the sound of U, U. So, to, T, U, U. Okay. Next, do or you. So, D, U, U. So, letter D and U, U. Yan. Then, who. Sound of H is represented by a dot and then the U, U. Next, food. F, U, U, D. So, F, U, U, D. Food. Next, suit. So, S, U, U, and T. Suit. Room. R, U, U, M. Okay, look at the letter U, U. Okay? So, next, pour. P, O, O, R. So, P, U, U, and R. So, pour, P, U, U, R. Next, true. So, T, R, U, U. T, R, U, U. This is the U, U. Okay? Tiny upward hook. Next, produce. Produce. Okay? So, P, R, O, D, U, U, S. So, you write the combination of P and R. P, R, O, from the word produce, you use the right S. Okay? Because right S is easy to use rather than from the left S. Okay, next. New. Okay. So it is N, O, O. So letter N and then O, O. New. Next. Noon. N, O, O, N. So N, O, O, N. That is noon. Next. Move. M, O, O, V. So you write the letter M, O, O, and V. Okay. So that is the shortened strokes for the sound of oo. So don't forget that the sound of oo is written as a tiny upward hook. Okay, so next is the sound of W and SW. Okay, so at the beginning of the words, the sound of W, it is pronounced as oo hook. Let's say woo, we. Okay, we is represented by the sound of oo plus e. So it is written as oo and e. We. Next, we. Oo and a. So oo, a, way. Okay, oo, like that, way. Please do not confuse between way and say. In our previous lesson, say is represented by S and A. So it is written as S and A. So it is different from way because way is written by the oo. Oh, look at the difference between the way and say. Way, oo and a. Say is S and A. Okay. Next, wait. Wait is represented by oo, a, and t. So, oo, a, t. Wait. Next, wade. Oo, a, and d. Oo, a, d. Wade. Next, where. Okay, where, oo, a, and r. Oo, a, and r. So that is where. Wife. Oo, long I, F. So that is oo, long I, F. Wife. Oo, wife, long I, F. Wife. Okay, next. Combination of SW. Okay. Combination of SW, let's say sweet. Sweet, that is S, O, E, and T. So, sweet. You write first the right S, O, E, T. Sweet. Sway, S, O, A. Sway. S, O, A. You just always observe the different strokes. Oh, yan. The letter S, the letter U, and then the A. Sway. S, U, A. Okay? Next, swear. So, swear, S, U, E, and R. Swear. Sorry. A, swear. So, S, U, A, and R. Swear. Okay. So, that's the end of our lesson number 13. So, please try to practice the combination of W, rather, the sound of W, the sound of SW, using the tiny upward hook. So, you just review the previous lesson so that it is easy for you to memorize, to recall, and to understand how to write the different combination of shorthand writing. Okay, so next time next lesson, by lesson number 14, maybe I will discuss to you the different combination that we have discussed from lesson 1 to 12, the previous lessons. In short, I will give you the alphabet review. That is for lesson number 14. Okay, so thank you and good luck. Sana i-subscribe nyo ang aking channel and sana magustuhan nyo ang aking discussion, and please give a comment kung ano po mga katanungan and kung ano po mga suggestion. Thank you and have a nice day.